at home,
Okay. So,
tax status,
yes. Okay. Tax status, right?
tax compliance, activate if you need to, otherwise my compliance profile. And there you go. And then obviously to get the tax clearance, you go to tax compliance status request. Share this quickly with you. Then you'll be able to. Okay, so this is SARS website, sars.gov.za, right? Homepage.
Okay.
Then you go to that red part here and to click here. And you click there, and then from there you will see it gives you a whole. There you go. There's a browser. Click here, and then it take you to the browser. And then you can. It's like a separate app that you can just save on your computer.
Okay, so it's basically like a new little app.
Yeah. Then let me just. It looks exactly like SARS eFiling. It's just the app. So I'm just gonna quickly open it up, and then share that with you. So that's your first thing. You need to do that. If you don't have that, then you won't be able to do any tax clearances or any of those stuff.
Okay.
Right. So it's eFiling app. Right, there you go. So you see it looks exactly the same. Let me just quickly log in.
Hi, Jasper Basson here. I just wanted to remind you about the Daily Entrepreneur Tips series. It's a business growth series for entrepreneurs and contains financial information and also information to grow you as a person and your business, because we will never grow our business any higher than we grow ourselves. So click on the link below and I will send you daily information to grow you as a person and your business, and it's for 365 days of the year.
Okay, everything else here looks exactly the same as what it did on eFiling.
It is eFiling. It's just a separate browser. They had to the biggest work is to actually create a new profile, activate the client on to get the client actually on eFiling. That's a lot of work. But I mean, if you have eFiling login details, I mean, you can just log in and quickly pull the tax status. This is yours. Again, you go to tax status.
I'm not seeing it on my side quickly yet. I'm still seeing the login screen. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
Tax status, tax compliance, activation. If it's not activated, obviously like yours, just activate. Just continue, and then you get to. And there's your screen. You're compliant. Okay, so at home.
Okay.
Tax status?
Yes, okay, tax status, right?
Tax compliance, activate if you need to, otherwise my compliance profile. And there you go. And then obviously to get the tax clearance, you go to tax compliance status request.
Yeah.
Good standing.
Okay.
And then you just complete all the details in here. Obviously tax practitioner, all this stuff. It's valid for 12 months and you will submit, and then once you submit that, it will actually kick out a TCS pin for you. To my compliance profile again. It really doesn't show immediately, but let's see. Good standing, there you go. And there's one approved. Okay, so, and then it's very important, it must be approved and it must show compliant. There, that green.
Okay, so the compliance indicator must be there. That's okay, so that's just right? The actual request reference number.
So this is your request, and then you go, once you can do that, you go to select that, and then you say print pin. It will probably, still in process, but that's the thing that you send to the client, because that PIN is the thing that they need to send. That you don't get a tax clearance certificate anymore. That's only the tax clearance PIN, that piece of paper that provides them with a PIN that they obviously need to provide to anybody that wants to check their status.